Welcome to our tofu salad recipe. Today, we're going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious tofu salad that's perfect for a light lunch or dinner. Here's what you'll need. 1 block of firm tofu, 2 cups of mixed greens, 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of sliced red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Press the tofu. Place the tofu on a paper towel and press it gently to remove any excess water. Cut it into bite-sized pieces and set aside. Step 2. Mix the dressing in a small bowl. Whisk together the olive oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, honey, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Step 3. Assemble the salad in a large bowl. Combine the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, and chopped cilantro. Add the tofu on top. Step 4. Add the dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss to coat everything evenly. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Divide the salad into individual bowls or plates and serve immediately. Enjoy your healthy and delicious tofu salad. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.